Hi guys, today we will see how to turn off two-factor authentication on Apple ID. First of all, I would like you to leave a like and a subscription. It would really help me a lot and I appreciate it. Thank you. As first, we need to go to the App Store. Then we will search for the app Apple Support and install it. Once installed, we open it. We select our device. Click on Passwords and Security. Click here. Yes. And in Contact, you can call or send a message. In my case, I will send a message. Here, we explain the situation. If you want, you can copy and paste my message. Pause the video and write it down. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. If not, leave me a comment and I will try to help you. Bye.